Good afternoon. I am from Jollof Berignon, a teacher from the Russian International School Galaxy, teaching IBTV Geography and at the same time a class coordinator. So to start with my presentation about project-based learning and the whole student, project-based learning develops cognitive, social, emotional, and practical skills by engaging students in meaningful and real-world life and real-world tasks. This is by Armstrong et al. In 2019. The first major concept that I'm trying to develop here is the holistic role. Project-based learning, not just intellectual, social, emotional, and creative abilities. This encourages autonomy, curiosity, and resilience. How could this be applied in an IBTV class and in my class activities that I do in my school? In an IBTV lessons, we engage in field-work activities. For example, in urban heat island effects, students engage and measure temperatures of different surfaces. This builds inquiry, collaboration, and analytical reasoning. In class, students engage in cultures day activities, which means they have to plan cultural displays which enhances creativity and intercultural skills. The second concept will be on authentic learning. Project-based learning integrates real-world relevance by Boss and Laumer, 2018, which states that students solve practical problems, making learning meaningful. Application in my geography lessons will still be on urban heat island effects, which we engage on the field trip. There will be real-life environmental data collection within the city where I live in, which is Douala. And also, my students once engage in a bakery visit to see how bread is being produced locally in a local bakery, which is a class activity. How does project-based learning come in here? The students study production process, links to economy and science and creativity. The third concept, student agency and voice. Students take ownership of learning, Abril 2002. Teaching back the content increase mastery. Application. Geography groups present in urban heat island findings to peers. And at the same time, my students engage in the World Peace Day activity, which they have to design awareness about peace. This helps them to develop their leadership skills and for their voices to be heard. Instructional strategies. Project-based learning helps in inquiry-driven tasks, scaffolding and collaboration comes in, structured reflection, realistic products, and community engagement. Example in my classroom, which have been used here, has been on urban heat island effects field investigation, cultures day in class, bakery visit in class, and also awareness about the World Peace Day still in class. This allows my learners to apply skills across contexts. In conclusion, project-based support whole student development, fosters agency, and connects learning to authentic context, making instruction more meaningful and transformative. My references, I have Abril J. 2022, having students learn by teaching. Utopia, Armstrong C. et al. 2009, Catch the Fire, Portage, and May. And the last one, Boss S. and Lama J. 2018, project-based teaching. Thank you.